Before we continue, let's try to take a look of the warning here. What is that? Click that, and let's close the right hand side thing. It says capability for signing capability may not function correctly because, okay. So to remove this, select the development team in the Snake editor. Yeah, I haven't set the development team in for this project. So let's take a look of that. Click here, click the click here the project name. So general, the tab here, signing and capabilities. Click that. Yeah, the team here, right? This entry, let's add an account, Apple ID. So this is my Apple ID. Next, password. Okay. Now this is my Apple ID and this. So can I add that now? Team. Yeah. Code Song Inc. So this request forbidden. This request is forbidden for security reason. To this membership. Oh. Okay, so let's try another one. My personal one. This works. So you can use your personal Apple ID to set the theme here, and I think we can, let's compile. Yeah, now the warning is gone. Okay, let's continue with our snake game. Let's rerun it to make sure everything still works. Okay, we can move the snake. Now snake wants to eat fruits. Let's create one for it. Okay. Now, how do we implement a fruit? So we'll show one of the cell, right? To put let's put a static fruit somewhere here to start easy. Okay. Of course, we'll go to the snake board. Yeah. Let's make it smaller so we can see both of them. Fruit. Do we need to define a data structure for the fruit? Not now, not for now. So let's use an easy implementation. So let fruit x, of course this is our logical concept, so it means we can put a fruit somewhere, for example in one of the cells here, right? Initially, let's put it at here. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. So 2, 1 here, 2. And that fruit y 1. Now, yes, now to show up this one on the screen, right? We need a shadow fruit x, fruit y in our view file. So let's make a copy of that. Let's add a shadow here, so it won't confuse with the original fruit location. Shadow fruit. Now with that here, can we show up the fruit? Let's add a function, right? Draw fruit. Function draw fruit. We can just copy this one, right? Then we'll replace the location using the fruit data, fruit x. Oh, let's keep consistent with the column and row. Okay, so let's use column instead of xy. Yeah. And we'll change the other side here. Fruit column, fruit row. Yeah. Keeping consistent is very, very important. And now let's replace this one. Row. Yeah, here, row. So Command B to compile. What's wrong here? Oh, ambiguous. Experience void without more dot field. UI by zero pass dot field. This doesn't make sense. Let's see. Don't. Oh, maybe I. Float. Compile. Yes. Draw fruit. We should be able. Yeah, let's copy a color too. Right? So oh, that's why. Sorry about that. The whole thing is the column. Yeah. The whole thing is the row. Now let's use pink. Do we have pink? System pink. Okay, system pink. Run it. So we can show this is not a good place for testing. So let's put it in maybe here. So here, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So 1, column 1, row 3. Yeah, let's try it again. Yeah, here is our pink. It's actually red. Let's use a different one. Maybe, yeah, fruit. Use green. Let's use green. Well, it's our fruit green. Or do we have dark green? No, so just green. Let's see. I don't like this color, so let's use color literal. So we can color literal, so we can select any color. Oh, okay. So if we like, we can select from here. There's unlimited color selections, but let's use dark, a little bit darker. What about this one? Nice. I like this one. So we can move our snake right to it, but now we cannot eat it. We just passed by. It's still there. Before we can eat it, okay, let's keep, let's use an unreasonable data here, so we cannot see it. What's that? Let's use our int dot max. Yeah, or minimum is minimum. This number is the smallest integer, so of course it's like negative, a huge number, so you'll be outside of our screen. Yeah, if we run it, we cannot see it. Yeah, it's somewhere, I don't know, on the moon. Now let's update the shadow fruit using the real one. So it's inside here, right? This is the real one. How do we update the shadow using the real one? We set the original snake here, right? So we can set original oh, that's the snake. Let's put it after the snake itself here. So board view dot shadow colon, right? Same idea. We'll use the only copy in the model class, model struct board. So this one. So board view dot shadow fruit row equals board dot fruit row. Now what's wrong? Let, yeah. So because we want to update that, cannot assign to the property is let shadow. Okay, so shadow has to be a var instead of, let's see, yeah, it has to be var. Now let's go back to here to check. Command B to compile. Cannot assign property. What? Shadow. Command B is, we already border. Let's jump to definition. Wait a minute. Oh, I modified the wrong place. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Let's fix this. We Command B. Now it compiles. Run it. Oh, this is not a good place for the original fruit. It overlaps with the head of the snake. So let's change it to view controller, change it to better location. So it's 1, 3, right? The original one. Run it. Yes. So this is our first static fruit. We'll continue in our next video. Bye.